The original Toggler plastic hollow wall anchor is a strong, versatile fixing. The TA fixing is ideal for hollow core doors or thin wall substrates, like caravans and mobile homes. The TB for residential 12mm plasterboard and the TC for commercial 16mm plasterboard. Drill an 8mm diameter hole. Fold the fixing wingtips forward in the middle. Insert the fixing into the hole. Tap it flush with a hammer. Insert the red key to pop the fixing open behind the wall. This is not necessary in thick or solid walls. Remove the red key. Place the item you wish to fix over the fixing and insert the screw. Tighten the screw until it is flush with the item, then stop.